take a seat. There you go. Can you count to 10 for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How do I open this? Oh, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, do I have to introduce myself?
Just gonna hold the clap for one up. Clap.
Can I just have another try?
Wanna do that again?
Yeah, because
I'm not sure what to say still.
Like now?
Yeah. Do you know what I'm gonna say?
Yeah, I have it on my phone. Is that alright?
Hey big man, hope you haven't gone crazy. Remember to breathe and center yourself in the moment. I trust that you have been able to provide a comfortable life to everyone you love.
I would like to tell my future self that whatever happens in the future, to stay strong and stay calm.
My dream life is unconditionally loved by my close one.
hi, how are you doing there? I'm having a very hard time here preparing future things, but I believe you will overcome it and do such an amazing thing there. So keep up with good things there too.
Hello future me. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing okay. I just want to let you know that everything will be okay. I know it might be hard right now, but I promise that you will get there and you will have the life that you've always dreamed of. Yeah, that's all.
So, excellent. Okay, so.
We're almost there, and yet nowhere near now. Oh my god, I missed. Sorry.
If you're not embarrassed of the first version, then you launch to be willing to be a beginner every day.
We're almost there, and but nowhere near it. All that matters is that we're going.
Take every opportunity you can while it lasts. I would like my future self to be happy, keep pursuing my dreams, never give up on anything, and just to remember to be different from everyone else.
Be the type of person you want to meet.
Hello to my future self. In 10 years, I hope you have made a positive impact on the world. I hope that I found a job that's suitable for my future.
I want to be successful in the future. I can solve difficulties easily. I'm confident about it. I trust myself.
Just because it doesn't take. My bad. I messed up. Just because it's taking time doesn't mean it's not happening.
Trust the process. Everything unfolds as it should at the right moment for your best interests.
At least nothing lasts forever, but we got these memories.
I hope one day I can be most famous person around the world and more successful.
I hope that whatever I do in the future, it's something that'll make me happy.
The limit of your future doesn't exist. Therefore, don't be afraid of chasing your dreams. Okay, I think I'm ready.
Go for it.
So, my future self, just remember that you can't spell million without a couple of vowels. So, get back to work and keep pushing.
Time passed so fast. I recognize many friends in unity, and I hope them doing well in the future.
Now I'm 19 and I'm about to graduate. And yeah, so I want to ask you, how's your life in the military, and did you gain something, anything positive, and or had any like progress, or did you achieve something you wanted to? Yeah, and I hope you best luck in there, and yep.
In 10 years' time, I will be successful, I will retire my parents, and I will be grateful for everything that happened to me. Thank you.
Have a good life. Finish.
Yeah, is that it?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, brilliant. Next.